Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful home located in the gated community of Drax St. Anne with 24-hour security. This is perfect for returning residents or a getaway home. This house sits on approximately 5,453 square feet of land and comes with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, modern kitchen, living and dining space, plus AC and ceiling fan. There is a fully installed camera system, solar water heater, and other modern finishes. This small, peaceful, safe community has a recreational area with 2 swimming pools, a tennis court, a bar, and dining area. This location is centrally located, 5 minutes from Edward Seaga Highway and close proximity to Sandals, Jewel Resort, Grand Bahia Principe, Rio, Duns River, Chaka Cove, Mystic Mountain, among others. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
Just trying to give you something spooky. I'll do it for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky. I'll do it for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky. I'll do it for you.
The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.